Today we're going to talk about action verbs in sentences. A verb names an action. Verbs that tell about actions that happen now are called present tense verbs. Verbs that tell about actions that happened before now are called past tense verbs. Let's look at some examples. The wheels roll. Roll is a present tense verb because it's happening now. The bread bakes. Bakes is a present tense verb. It's happening now. Now let's look at some samples of past tense verbs. The wheels rolled. Rolled shows that this already happened in the past. The bread baked. Baked is a past tense verb because it already happened.